Excuse me. Hey, hi. My name is Rakesh. I'm a content creator. I go to strangers and take their portraits. If you don't mind, can I click your pictures to post on YouTube and Instagram? Yeah. By the way, your name?
Sampurna.
Sampurna. You're from?
I live here. I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay. What do you do for a living?
I am a student. I
Student.
joined university this year.
Okay. What are you studying?
BTech.
BTech. Oh, okay. So, what are your future plans?
Engineer, and then wherever the road takes me.
Cool.
तेरी अखियां गुलाब के ना जावे साडा प्यार तेनू छड़े